Good afternoon. Welcome to the forecast discussion for July 24th, 2014. It's currently 1 p.m. and it is much better out there today than what we saw yesterday. Yesterday we were approaching the mid to upper 80s and there was a lot of humidity in the atmosphere. Today we have temperatures in the lower to mid 70s throughout much of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. The dew points are falling off from the mid-60s, which is currently right along the coast, and we still have a few showers here around Atlantic City, to the lower 50s over the northern interior. And those lower 50 dew points, that dry air, is making its way towards the coast and will be in place by this evening, producing some wonderfully comfortable weather conditions. So much so that temperatures by tomorrow morning will fall into the mid to upper 50s over the interior and upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast, making for a very pleasant morning as well for tomorrow. As far as highs for today, we're looking at temperatures basically ranging around the lower 80s. We're looking at 84, 83, 82 degrees at most by the time we get through this afternoon with these temperatures. Now, on the latest surface map, we have our cold front that has pushed off the coast. We still have a few lingering showers. We have this wave of low pressure that will move through Virginia and then head off the coast. That's going to keep the threat for a few showers down here in Cape May, perhaps around Atlantic City, and just south of Philadelphia. High pressure will take control by this evening, producing scattered cloud cover to clear skies throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, and allowing temperatures to basically fall off into the mid to upper 50s over the interior and upper 50s to around 60 degrees along the coast and in urban locations for lows tomorrow. This high pressure system will be a dominant feature all the way through this weekend before this area low pressure approaches by Sunday night with a few showers possible, and then that's going to continue on through Monday and Tuesday of next week. Taking a look at the latest radar, you can see the bulk of the rainfall is off the coast, but we still have a few showers here lingering around Atlantic City and Cape May. We'll see exactly how far north these showers and thunderstorms get as far as the Delmarva Peninsula, probably clipping portions of Cape May, again basically south of Philadelphia, for this afternoon and evening. But again, for southern New Jersey, you're not out of the woods yet until later on this afternoon. The rest of the region is high and dry with comfortable weather conditions. Taking a look at the latest infrared satellite picture, you can see some of that cloud cover still lingering over the region. We have some variable cloud cover, but here comes the clearing, and you'll definitely enjoy that clearing by this evening with dew points falling through the 50s and very comfortable air building in. And then this is basically our weather for the end of the week, and for the weekend, by Sunday we'll have to deal with a few of these increasing clouds during the day on Sunday and the threat for showers in the evening. On the water vapor satellite picture, you can kind of see what's hanging up this cold front just a little bit. We have just one more disturbance diving here at the base of the trough that's enhancing this low pressure system, that's slowing down the basic transport of the polar air mass into the region. Once this base of the trough gets to about, let's say, West Virginia, that's going to kick this low pressure system off the coast, and as a result, we'll start to see some clearing skies. Meanwhile, here is the heart of the trough, way up here around the Hudson Bay with a nice little upper level low, which, it's not too far south for what we expect for this time of year. This trough is pretty vigorous, though, for July. I'm not going to lie, it's pretty impressive, but it's not unheard of. So we'll see this trough again, trust me, throughout the rest of this month, and especially throughout August. We'll see this scenario play out several times. So let's take a look at the latest model guidance using the Penn State UWall website, and we're going to use the European model guidance for today. Again, for this evening, scattered cloud cover expected as that trough moves towards the region. Look for temperatures to fall off into the upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. Now for tomorrow, with high pressure in control, clear skies, look for temperatures to rise into the lower to mid 80s, but your dew points, they're going to be in the lower 50s. So it's going to feel amazing outside. Go out and run, play some baseball, whatever. Just get outside. It's going to be absolutely beautiful out there. Of course, if you have to go to work, then you have to go to work and then go out. So it's going to be wonderful out there for tomorrow. For Saturday and Sunday, I'm keeping the forecast dry here. I know that there's some talk about rainfall on Sunday. I think that holds off into the late evening. And so, for the most part, we're dealing with high pressure and control. Now, that high pressure system will be shifting off the coast, so we get more of a southwesterly flow. So, we will see an increase in humidity. So, on Saturday, look for temperatures in the lower to mid 60s for lows, mid 80s for highs for most locations. Could see a few upper 80s in some urban areas around Philadelphia. And then on Sunday, notice the increase in humidity with low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, touching 70 degrees in a few urban locations. High temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, mid 80s right along the coast. Your dew points are going to be in the mid to upper 60s, so you're definitely going to notice a difference in the humidity in the atmosphere. Then we have a strong disturbance approaching the region by Sunday evening, which scattered showers. I'm not really looking at severe thunderstorms, though. It doesn't look like a setup as far as the upper level dynamics really isn't there at this time. On Monday and Tuesday, though, we have disturbances moving through the region with a cold front. Look for scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms. Temperatures on Monday in the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows, lower to mid 80s for highs. Tuesday, behind that cold front. Now, timing is key. If the cold front holds up, these temperatures are going to end up warmer. But right now, we're looking at upper 50s to lower 60s for lows, upper 70s to lower 80s for highs. And then that cool regime with unsettled weather is going to continue on for Wednesday into Thursday of next week. Now, what I'm expecting here is clear skies to scattered cloud cover, but there's going to be disturbances all over the place, so I can't rule out an isolated shower popping up here and there. Otherwise, you're looking at a very cool, crisp air mass with temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows, lower to mid 80s for highs, possibly a few mid to upper 70s along Long Island, with dew points in the mid 50s. It's going to be a scenario where most locations are going to have excellent weather for Wednesday and Thursday. It's going to feel amazing out, but then you'll get that rogue shower that will basically mess up your plans for about 30 minutes, and then it's out of there. So that's what we're looking at for Wednesday and Thursday. That's your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.